Hi boys, welcome to another video. This is our next class in this second week of the month, April. Well, today I am happy because we are gonna start a new unit, yes? And first of all, we are gonna watch a video so you can guess or you can infer which topic is the one that we are gonna see for this new unit. Okay, are you ready? Well, let's go. Let's go then.
Hello?
Olivia, I'm going to Sarah's party tonight, and I don't know what to wear. I need some help. It's going to be a really big party, and I want to look nice. Please help me. What should I wear?
Okay, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a blue dress.
What shoes are you wearing?
I'm wearing gray shoes.
What are your favorite clothes?
I like my green blouse. And I like my brown skirt. Oh, and I love my new boots.
I like your new boots too. But your black shoes are fabulous. Hello? Hello? Lola? Lola!
Yes, my black shoes are nice.
And I like your red dress. Hello? Hello? Lola!
Yes, I like my red dress too.
And your black jacket? And your funny hat?
No, I do not like my funny hat. But I do like the black jacket.
Hello? Hello? Lola? Lola!
I'm wearing my favorite clothes. I love them, Olivia. Thanks.
Okay, did you already watch the video? There was Laura that she doesn't know what to wear because she's giving a party, and there was Olivia, her friend, that is helping her to choose what kind of clothes she will wear. Estaba Lola, que no sabía qué usar para la fiesta, ella quería verse nice. Olivia era la que le estaba ayudando a qué ropa poder elegir. Pues entonces, ¿qué tema es el que vamos a ver el día de hoy? Muy bien, vamos a entrar al tema de ropa, clothes. Repitamos, my favorite clothes. Muy bien, ¿y qué ropa o qué prendas fueron las que vimos o escuchamos que estaban mencionando? Muy bien, oímos dress, shoes, jacket, boots. Yeah, funny hat. There was a funny hat. Yeah, that's it. Very good, boys. I'm very proud of you because you're paying attention. So I'm gonna let you to see another video so you can improve and you can apply your knowledge vamos a ver otro video donde ustedes van a escuchar otro tipo de palabras que les van a servir para más adelante. ¿De acuerdo, mis amores? Ok.
People wear different clothes in different kinds of weather. When it's hot, people wear clothes that let them stay cool. They're wearing t-shirts. She's wearing a blue skirt and white sandals. What are your favorite summer clothes? When it's cold, people wear clothes that keep them warm. They wear jackets, pants, hats, and gloves. They want to stay warm. When it's rainy, people want to stay dry. What are they wearing? They're wearing raincoats and rain boots. People wear different clothes in different kinds of weather. What is the weather like where you live? What are you wearing?
Okay, very good. Now we learn about other words. Yeah? We learn about sandals, skirt, raincoat, and rain boots. Escuchamos de sandalias, de falda, ¿qué más? De abrigo para lluvia y de botas para lluvia. Perfecto, muy bien. Estoy muy orgullosa de ustedes, mis amores. Okay, now we are already gonna start with the class. Yes, what are we gonna need? We are gonna need all our equipment for the class. Yes, book, notebook, pencil case. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, are you ready? Well, we're gonna start with the class right now. First of all, we're gonna open our book. Yes, on the page 44. Are you ready? Page 44. Yeah? Okay, these are the two pages that we're gonna write out. 44 and 45. Okay. In here, first we get the song time. Yeah. We get the previous vocabulary that we're gonna learn. We get here, once again, the song. And here we get listen and number in order. Okay? Well, what are we gonna do first? First, we're gonna listen the song, yeah? And we're gonna make a little party if you want. Later, you're gonna make, or you're going to do this vocabulary on your notebook. Van a hacer este vocabulario en su cuaderno. Ya saben muy bien. 3 veces la palabra en inglés, 1 en español. ¿Sí? Bueno, empecemos entonces con eso. Okay, are you ready for the song time? Well, let's sing.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a t-shirt.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a skirt. What's he wearing?
He's wearing new shorts. What's he wearing?
He's wearing old boots.
What's she wearing?
She's wearing a red hat.
What's she wearing?
She's wearing pink shoes.
Okay. What she is wearing and what he is wearing. Muy bien. Cuando se refiere a what he is wearing, está diciendo qué es lo que él está usando. Y cuando decimos what she is wearing, estamos preguntando qué es lo que ella está usando. ¿Sí? Muy bien. Entonces vamos ahora con el vocabulario y vamos a ver cómo estamos. Ok, wow. Okay, quite ready, boy? Okay, let's go now with the vocabulary. Please listen and repeat. Yeah? Okay.
1. Boots.
Boots,
2. Dress.
dress,
3. Gloves.
gloves,
4. Hat.
hat,
5. Jacket.
jacket,
Pants.
pants,
Blouse.
blouse,
8. Shoes.
shoes,
9. Skirt.
skirt,
10. Shirt.
shirt,
11. T-shirt.
t-shirt,
12. Shorts.
and shorts. Okay, let's do it again. Boots, dress, gloves, hat, jacket, pants, blouse, shoes, skirt, shirt, t-shirt, and shorts. Okay, excellent. Well, what are we gonna do now? We're gonna sing the song again, yeah? And you're gonna read it, and you're gonna sing it, okay? Well, let's go.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a t-shirt.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a skirt. What's he wearing?
He's wearing new shorts. What's he wearing?
He's wearing old boots.
What's she wearing?
She's wearing a red hat.
What's she wearing?
She's wearing pink shoes.
Okay, that was fun, but now I have an activity for you, okay? I'm gonna ask you what she is wearing. ¿Qué es lo que ella? Okay? Vamos a ver qué es lo que ella está usando. What she's wearing? Yeah, she's wearing pink shoes, but also she's wearing a sandals, yeah? Okay, what else? What else she's wearing? Very good. She's wearing a t-shirt. Good job. Well, what else? She's wearing a blue skirt. Very good. I'm gonna tell you this new word. This, it's called legging.